Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL13 third grade lesson 13. Let's get started. Find each quotient. Number 1, we have 12 divided by 4. Okay, so this is also asking the same thing as how many groups of 4s can you form with 12s? So this would be, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be one group of 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two group of 4s, and these add up to 8. But we have to have 12. So if you do another set of 4s, that gives us 12 in total, and that is 3 groups. Number 2, we have 15 divided by 3. This we could also see it as 3 times blank is equal to 15. So we could plug in and check. So we could do 3 times 4. 3 times 4 gives us 12, and that is still short from 15. So let's do 3 times 5, and we get 15. So 5 will be the answer. 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is also saying how many times is 2 going to 8. So 2 times blank is equal to 18. And let's try, sorry, it was 2 times, we could try 6, and we get 12. That is still short, so let's just try 9, and we get 18, so answer will be 9. Number 4, blank is equal to 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, we could know this. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and we have 1 3 and 2 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 4. Okay, let's just do it the way we did for number 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24. So in total we have 6 groups of 4s to form 24. 30 times 5, we could do 5 times blank is equal to 30. And we'll do 6, and that works. Let's move on. Compare right. Greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to for each blank. 0 divided by 9. If you divide 0 by any number, no matter how big it and small it is always going to equal to 0, because you can't divide 0. There is nothing, you can't divide that. And 4 divided by 4, it is just itself, and it goes, you need 1 4 to get 4. So this would be 1, so it'd be greater here. 24 divided by 6, we already did this up on top, and it's 4. 80 divided by 10, we could just get rid of the zeros, and 8 divided by 1 is 8. And 8 is greater than 4. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is also 3. So this would be equal. 48 divided by 4, we do the long division. 4 goes in there once. 4 goes into 8 twice, so we get 12. Sorry. And then 60 divided by 6, we get, that's not 6, it's 10. And comparing 12 and 10, 12 is greater, so it is going to open up to 12. 5 divided by 1 by itself. It's not by itself. How many 1s do you need to get 5? If you divide any number by 1, it is always going to be the same number. So this will stay as 5. 1 divided by 5. This will get 1 over 5 as a fraction. Or we could, this is the same as 0.2. And 5 is greater than 0.2. Let's move on. Write plus minus multiplication, multiply or divide to complete the equation. 13 blank 7 is equal to 2 times 3. Okay, so let's just solve the right side first because we already have everything that we need. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 13 blank 7 has to equal to 6. 13, I have a feeling it's going to be subtract, and let's try it. 13 minus 7, and we get 6, and they equal to each other, so that's how we know we are correct. Let's solve this side first because we have everything. 12 plus 5 is 17, and then equals, we have to have this equal to 17. We could do minus, but we get 1, so it is not going to be minus. We could try plus, and we get 17. So we know that it's going to be a plus sign right there. 6 times 4 is 24, and 8 times 8 blank 3 has to equal to 24. And we could do 8 divided by 3, but we're going to get a decimal or a fraction that is not 24. So let's try multiplication, and we get 24. Number 4, 9, and then 18 blank 9 has equal to 9. Okay, so this one, because we don't have to do anything to this side, the right side, we just have to plug and match. We could do plus, but is going to get bigger than 18 because we're adding it. So we could subtract, and we get 9. And 6 times 6, we'll do that one first. 36 is equal to 4 blank 9. We could do plus, but we get 13. That is still short. We know that it's not going to be minus or subtract because it has to be greater. So we'll try multiplication. And yes, it works. 3 times 3 on the right side is 9. And 72 is very big compared to 9. And subtracting just 8 is not going to cut it. So we know that the only option will be division, which we get 9. Word problems. Anna has 12 bananas. She wants to divide them equally into 4 baskets. How many bananas will each basket have? So 12 bananas, 4 baskets. Equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Each basket has 3 bananas. A book club has 15 members and every member reads the same book. If there are 3 copies of the book, how many members read that single copy? Okay, so a book club has 15 members and every member reads the same book. There are 3 copies of the book. 3 copies for 15 people. How many members read that single copy? So this is what it really is saying. There's 15 people, but then we have to divide that up with 3 books. So this will give us 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So 5 people will read 1 book, 1 copy, and another 5 will read the second copy, and the last 5 will read the third copy. Lucy baked 24 cupcakes and placed all of them in 1 big plate. How many cupcakes are on the plate? If Lucy placed it on 1 big plate, it is still going to be 24. So this is just proving the point that 24 divided by 1 is equal to 24. There are 20 pieces of candy to share. If we try to divide them into 0 groups, what happens? Because there are 20 pieces and we want to divide it up for 0 people. If there are nothing to share or divide into, then it's just not possible to divide by nothing. So 20 divided by 0, or any number divided by 0, is undefined. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.